What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. And I'm actually on my way to the tune shop. So far, I'm actually loving my short shifter. I was trying to figure out what is the difference between Stillen and B&M. I heard a lot of good feedbacks from both of them. So I just went ahead with my B&M. So far, so good. I'm actually loving it. It's very stiff. Different feel from what the factory clutch. Very different from the factory shifter. And they're gonna go ahead and install uprev so I can have that. I need it to pass. And I gotta go back to do a tune with them. My wife took the other route. I'm passing her. Bye. So they told me that I could come back and go ahead and put my car on the dyno and see what numbers I get. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. I made it back home. I had to hurry me get back home because I have the plumber here. Gotta get stuff done. Putting the tub into our house, getting rid of our shower. So, long story, a leak. But anyways, I noticed the car sounds different. Sounds a lot better. I can feel a little bit of difference with the car. Some of the stuff it doesn't do anymore. The sound is still just a little bit different. Also, I'm able to change my maps. So this is awesome. But I'm gonna go back on the 27th of March. Gotta go back in for another dyno so I can get some numbers and see where I go from there. So, but many more stuff to come for this car. I am decided. There's more stuff I will be doing. So stay tuned because this is gonna be awesome. So let me show you what I can do with the uprev. So the car is not turned on, but I do have it on. Which you see right here. So what I do is when I want to change my maps, I'll just hold down that and hit the cancel button twice, and it'll release. Or if I want to go, that's map 2, but I can do map 1. So that's, and then there's like, I think this car can go up to about 5 maps with the 370. So other than that, that's pretty much. I haven't really continued to mess with it or anything like that. So yeah. But I'm gonna continue to try to figure more stuff out about this. When I went up there, I went to a place called Jotech out here in Texas. So they have a lot of GTRs up there, which looks beautiful. Like when I went there, I was just amazed about everything about this shop. I would recommend it. So. Well, yeah, now we're getting ready to head to in-laws. I'm gonna have to make this video short. Sorry about making this video so short. I will do another video here soon. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Smash the like button. It's the same thing, I keep forgetting. Smash that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that. No. Alright, guys. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, leave a comment below, and again, thanks for watching. I hope y'all see you in the next one.